Hello guys, today Dubstechnology Present. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I need your all support to grow up this channel. Back to the topic. So, there is always a sense of hyperactivity in the smartphone market. Smartphones are launched, relaunched, discarded at such an alarming rate that at times one feels there is a need to pause and take a stock of things. The breakneck speed at which smartphone makers operate, taking a breather seems out of question. In such a scenario, there comes a device that makes you think and perhaps helps you separate the wheat from the chaff. Honor's latest smartphone, the V10, is one such device. Design and display. The first thing that strikes you about the V10 is its sleek design. With slim side bezels and an almost bezel-less display, the V10 is a seriously good-looking phone that is aided by its 5.99-inch 1080p display. The smartphone unit we got for review was in metallic navy blue color. Being a 5.99-inch display with 18:9 aspect ratio, it's not easy, in fact impossible, to use the device with one hand. So, if single-handed operations are vital for you, the design of the smartphone might not leave you impressed. As for the other basics, the speaker grill, USB-C port and the 3.5mm headphone jack are located at the bottom. The dual SIM tray finds a home on the left side of the smartphone. Performance and camera. Unlike many other recently launched Android smartphones, the V10 runs Oreo out of the box, coupled with Honor's own MUI 8 user interface. The app layout can be customized, as you can have an app drawer or not depending on your preference. Powering the smartphone is the high-silicon Kirin 970, an octa-core processor. 4 cores clock at 2.36 GHz, while the other 4 clock at 1.8 GHz. For all the routine tasks, the V10 delivers smooth performance. Apps open in a flash. There aren't any glitches or backquote hang issues, and gaming, as we said, is a true delight. There isn't a flaw which we could find in the smartphone's performance. Compare the performance of V10 with any other flagship and it manages to hold its own considerably well. Honor V10 boasts of 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which is expandable by up to 256GB using a microSD card. Thanks for watching. So always stay tuned with new videos from my channel. Let's subscribe and share, my friends. Cause you all the best.